Today we're going to work on the preposition to in English, to, that kind of to, and it can have a lot of different meanings. For instance, it can indicate direction or destination, as in to the point, to the store, to the left or to the right, to the top or to the bottom. It can indicate purpose or reason, as in to no avail, to the best of my ability, to the fullest, to that end, or to a fault. It can indicate connection or relationship, as in to my knowledge, to your advantage, to each their own, to a friend, to my surprise. It can indicate comparison or opposition, as in to some extent, to the contrary, to the same degree, to a lesser degree, to a greater degree, to one's dismay. It can express time or sequence, as in to this day, to the last minute, to eternity, to the present, to the future. Some miscellaneous expressions are to a T, which means a perfect fit, exactly right, to an end, to your health, to pieces, like I love you to pieces, to the rescue, to the letter, to the core, like it hurt me to the core, to infinity and beyond, to my delight, or to a halt. It came to a screeching halt. All right, let's try using to in various sentences. Try to repeat them after me and use the same prosody or the way I say it, the tone, the rhythm, all that. Please submit your report to the manager by the end of the day. The proposal was sent to the client for approval. This software upgrade will be beneficial to our entire team. The meeting has been postponed to next Monday. I need to speak to the IT department about the system issues. She presented her ideas to the board of directors. We're trying to achieve better results this quarter. Can you forward the email to everyone on the team? The task was given to me by the project manager. He's heading to the conference room for the brainstorming session. The new intern was introduced to the staff this morning. This data will be crucial to finalizing the budget. We're shifting to a more flexible work schedule. I sent a birthday card to my best friend. She's going to the park for an evening stroll. Can you hand that jacket to me? They moved to a new city last year. I'd like to introduce you to my cousin. He proposed to her during a romantic dinner. Let's raise a toast to the newlyweds. She's always kind to everyone she meets. I went to the concert last weekend and it was amazing. The teacher gave a book to each student in the class. I'm planning to talk to my neighbor about his yard. They offered help to the stranded travelers. This dessert is exactly to my liking. He waved to us as we left the party. Okay, that's all for the to preposition. If you liked it, please subscribe and feel free to visit my website, clarityaccent.com, if you'd like a session or for more information. Thanks.